Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the exception and the error handling. That is very important in every of your project, like exceptions, how to handle the errors. Okay, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Ruby uses the exceptions to handle the errors. They used begin, rescue, end block allows you to handle the exceptions gracefully. So what we have to use, begin, rescue and the end. So here begin, rescue, then end. Okay, so rescue catches the exception and prevents the program from crashing. Ensure runs code that will always execute regardless of whether the exception occurred. Okay, so ensure here we have runs the code that will always execute it regardless of the whether an exception occurred or not. Okay, let's try to run this. Let's open the code. Here we have the test Ruby. Let's try to update this, and here code that raise an exception. Okay, result which is rescue, zero division error, e puts error, ensure this will be always executed. Let's run it. Ruby test.rb. So here you can see error divided by 0, this will be always executed. Here you can see. Okay, so we have begin, rescue, ensure, then end. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use the exceptions and the error handling. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.